Once upon a time, there was a girl who lived on the hills, and she had no friends except one. It was 1,000 years old, gigantic peepal tree without leaves. It was extremely strange that the half of the tree was standing on the grass and other half was hanging on the sky. People said whenever she got upset, they had seen her talking with the tree. Even sometimes they had seen her hanging on the swing in the bare sky with the branch root of the tree. But nobody knew how come she got to reach there. But one day a strange thing happened, and people cut the tree and the girl made her own swing in front of her home. And there is the end of the story. What's up people, this is Sangeeta Bera and you are watching Kalon in Art. So guys, if you are thinking that today's video is basically on a horror story, then you are completely wrong. So this is about another paper cutting art which I have made recently, and it's a sketch inspired paper cutting art. I came across this sketch 1 week ago while surfing the internet, and somehow I liked the fact of the story, and I was thinking that why not recreate it with the paper cutting art. So that's why I added a little more, and bang, here is the masterpiece. So here I used a A1 size red color chart paper, and then I just have drawn the whole thing. And it's basically a freehand drawing, as you can see. It's not based on any template. And you know guys, that's why I have faced a little bit difficulty, because whenever you are cutting a paper without any template, the most challenging thing is you must need to imagine first that which part you are gonna keep and which part you are gonna cut, so that the final outcome will be easily understandable.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me?
And as it was the first time I was cutting something this huge and precise, so I really have learned so many facts about paper cutting art from my mistakes. But the most important thing I have learned is having a limitless patience. My god, working on a sheet since last 4 days, it's totally insane. But guys, I enjoy it a lot because I love it. I just love it. Here you can see how small these cuts are, and these are the grasses I am cutting. And now it's time to cut this lady sitting on this swing and enjoying her own company. And hey, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe my channel so that I can give you more creative works. And you can also appreciate me by sharing my videos, and also you can comment me on the comment section. And guys, don't forget the most important thing, turn on the notification bell, because that's how we will meet now.
Messing with my head again.